Vince and I spend Thanksgiving with some friends every year, and they fry turkeys, and then everyone that's invited brings a casserole. First year we were invited, I said, yeah, I'll come and I'll bring my pineapple au gratin, which is a pineapple casserole, and everybody was sort of like, what's that? Not very interested. I was like, try it, you'll like it, and we'll see. And now I can't get away from Thanksgiving without taking at least a double size of this casserole to share. So this is what I've made today, and speaking of double, I'm on my second bowl. This is so good, and you're gonna love how easy it is. It's delicious too. Stay tuned. Believe it or not, pineapple au gratin is a savory dish. Even though it starts out with 2 20-ounce cans of pineapple chunks drained and a cup of sugar, which I've already put in a bowl. To that, I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 2 cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. You can use mild, but I wouldn't recommend it. This is so simple. First time I ever had it, one of my aunts had made it for a family reunion. And then Mama started making it, and I love it. So Thanksgiving is not complete on Ladies Island without pineapple au gratin, or as people call it, that pineapple casserole Debbie brings. So I just want to mix it up enough to make sure that the flour and the sugar are well combined. Then I'm just going to spray. This is an 8x8 pan. This recipe can be doubled, tripled, quadrupled. Just make the pan a little bigger. Just going to put it in my casserole dish. The oven is preheating at 350 degrees. And when this is assembled, it will bake for about 20 minutes or so. You can make it the night before if you want to, but let it come to room temperature before you stick it in the oven. Set this aside. So now we're going to do the topping, and all it is a sleeve and a half of buttery flavored crackers. You can use Ritz. I'm using Townhouse crackers. The original recipe said 1 sleeve, but I think sleeves have gotten shorter. They used to be about that long, and nobody minds having too much crunchy stuff on top. So I've just crushed them in a baggie, and I'm going to add a stick of melted salted butter. Just going to kind of mix everything together. You want to get those crumbs coated with the butter. Because the butter is going to help them get brown and toasted. And then all you do is dump them on top of the casserole. Get my fork back, spoon back, and then just spread it on top. And I think I just heard my oven beep, so I'm going to pop it in the oven, and I'll be back about 20 minutes. And here is the pineapple au gratin. You can smell the butter, and you can smell the buttery crackers, and I can't wait to dive in. The cheese is melted and gooey. I promise you, this is so delicious. You'll love it. Just try it. Get a bite. This is going to take place of cranberries and other sweet stuff at your next Thanksgiving. Please try this. You'll love it. I promise, I promise, I promise. Happy Thanksgiving. If you'd like to see more recipes like this, please subscribe. For complete ingredients and cooking instructions and to purchase cookbooks, visit cateringbydebbicovington.com.